Just finishing up this email here. I've stolen Adam's computer again, and I'm sending out terrible, defying texts in his name and emails. Oh, this last one is a treasure. Look at this, all the glorious trouble I'm causing. Oh no.
Glorious trouble? What did I walk into? What? You're sending out emails in my name? You've assumed my identity. Mr. Rat, that's not okay.
Oh, you don't know? I'm working. Even rats need to work at my desk and my computer.
This is my office and my computer. Mr. Rat, I want some answers. You want answers? I think I'm entitled. You want answers? I want the truth. Let me tell them. You can't handle the truth. Son, we live in a world that has to be guarded by walls. Who's gonna stand on that wall? You, Lieutenant Adam. You. I don't have the time or the inclination to explain myself to someone who rises and sleeps under the very blanket of rat freedom that I provide, and then questions the manner in which I provide it. I use words like dishonor, no code, and no loyalty. This is the word spent of a backbone, spent of a whole lifetime spent being a rat. And you question me? I would rather you just said thank you and went on your way. Either way, I don't give a darn what you think you're entitled to. Huh. Whoa, Mr. Rat. That is not okay. We do not use words like dishonor, no code, and no loyalty. And we sure don't take other people's online identity.
I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry. I'm sure it'll happen again. I mean, it won't happen again.
I'm a little worried about that. I'm kind of curious. What have you been doing in here while I was on my lunch break?
Nothing. Oh, look at the sky. Time to go.
Oh, no. All right, I have no idea what Mr. Rat has gotten into, but I'm a little worried about that. First of all, you should not take somebody else's online identity, whether it's their email, their social media platform, or their office. That is their identity. That is where they send their correspondence, their mail, their emails. So don't take somebody else's identity. And it's also not a good idea to lie about it afterwards. You can't take something that isn't yours. It's not okay. I'm going to have to keep looking around and find out what I can find from Mr. Rat, but we're going to have a talk. Thank you. Have a good day.